Introducing our slipStream Pro 12. This pressure washer combined with our 18-inch surface cleaner is ideal for cleaning all types of driveways, paving and patios. This machine is compact and easy to manoeuvre and has the capability to clean 20 square metres in just 45 minutes. With key features like an Italian pump, robust trolley and low oil shutdown, the Pro 12 is ideal for exterior cleaning business startups, as well as established companies who may be looking to expand the services they currently provide.